G'day and welcome. It's Scott here from Dragonfly Digital, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to add your Instagram account to your website. So as you can see here, I've got we're on our Body Bliss Massage Noosa website, and I've got my Instagram account bodyblisskahuna_noosa set up on the home page here. So I'm going to show you how to replicate that. So we'll duck over here into the back end and jump into the edit screen in here. Okay, and as you can see, it's come up with the Instagram account here that I've already got here. So what I'm going to do is actually take that out and then add it back in so you can see what it looks like. So we go over to our little button on the left hand side there where we can add in anything we wish here. Scrolling down to our social blocks, we click on the Instagram button there. Okay, so with our account, I've got my account connected already to the website. If you don't have your account connected already, you can go here to add an account, and it's going to come up in a pop-up window, which is just fine. You say OK here. You log in with your Instagram account details there, and Squarespace and Instagram will talk to each other in the background and connect your account for you. Very, very easy to do. Nothing you need to be smart about to work that out. We'll go back to using my account here, okay, and we change it here to set up what we want here. I want to have 9 items displaying because I like the square grid look, okay. And with the design process, I've chosen the grid look. You can go for a slideshow look if you want that to come through, with one being your main picture, and then beneath that you'll see the rest of them coming down here. Okay, a carousel look, which will show a couple at a time that you can scroll through. The stack look, which will show the vertical look. It just depends on your page and how you've got it set up and what works for you. Okay, I like the grid look because that's how Instagram looks on an iPhone or on a phone, and that's what people are used to. Okay, so I'm sticking with that. The aspect ratio, 1:1 square, because your pictures on Instagram are square, keep that. Crop the images to the aspect ratio, which is you want you selected. Choose the thumbnails per row. You can have as many as you like here. Once again, I've chosen 3 because my grid is 3 by 3. And I like having a bit of padding around the images, which is 20 pixels, which is just enough to define them. You can also set up a lightbox scenario here, which means the image, if you click on the image, it'll pop up and show you a bigger version of the image. I'm not too fussed on that, but I do want the image to open up in a new window if they click on it, so they can go and see my Instagram account and follow from there. So that's pretty much it. We apply that, and sync was successful. It goes and retrieves all your past photos. Now you can see it's popped up there for me, and you save that, and you can go back and refresh it. It's just come up the same because we're putting the same stuff back in there. Okay, we scroll back down to the bottom, and we can see there's our Instagram account there. Pretty easy. Thanks very much for watching. Scott from Dragonfly Digital. I'll talk to you soon.